Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, July 21st, 2022. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar. We are going to have pretty much intense day today as far as I can see. So let's just start with the review. What do we have here? We got the Bank of Japan Outlook report and the press conference. It was all scheduled for it at 5 o'clock. It's already done. 1 a.m. One of the most important event of the day. We got the Turkish interest rate decision, 1 week repo rate and overnight borrowing rate. The repo rate is already 14%. The borrowing rate is already 12.5%. The key event of today is, of course, the European Central Bank interest rate decision, deposit facility rate, marginal lending facility, and monetary policy statement. All of this data are scheduled for release at 2:15. Market participants expect the ECB to leave the interest rate at the level of 0.25. During the ECB press conference, 45 minutes past 2, and then is ECB President Christine Lagarde will give a speech 4:15. In the meantime, we got the data from the US, Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index and initial job claims scheduled for release 2:30. This is a typical data set from the US about this time. So it looks like the key event of today is the ECB interest rate decision, and we are going to talk about this kind of event in more details, especially when we look at the chart. So let's start with the, of course, euro dollar. Daily time frame chart of the euro dollar. Very interesting bounce from the recent lows at the level of 9,950. We travel all the way up through the channel towards 50% of Fibonacci retracement. We missed 7 pips exactly to hit this level. So right now we are just trading just below this level, and it looks like we got first signs of the increasing bearish pressure. The next target for bulls is seen at the level of 61% of the Fibonacci retracement, located at 1.0361. However, in case of a big surprise from the ECB today, we might see very big up candle, mostly because we are still trading around the parity, and this is the zone which is very susceptible for any kind of external triggers, like for example unexpected interest rate decision. So please be very careful today trading the euro dollar. It is very violent pair during the during time like this, the interest rate, of course. And please note that there is a holiday season, so the liquidity might be very low, and that's why we might see a big swing today if the market will think that the result of the decision is more surprising this time. Okay. Next market will be euro to the Japanese yen. Euro to the Japanese yen is a very interesting market recently, and if you take a look here, you will definitely notice that there you go. You have zoom out until the 2019. That's the spike down. This is the post-COVID low, 114, and since then big rally up. So the very interesting situation is here. What is going on after this big jump was made? Let's just find out how the market can react on today's decision. Of course, there is clearly visible potential double top, right? So we got this first pullback, attempt to rally, second pullback. So there is a clear zone that is being respected here, and this zone is located here between these two levels. Let me just put it on the chart. 144.19, 152.69. So it's a big zone, big levels, and it will be good for everyone to know that this level of support at around 132, 134, 33 is of course the key technical zone. It is the game changer. If you break below this level, the potential for another wave down towards 124 is very big. So this is the situation here. Of course, we can put some trend line as well, even from the lows, and you can see something like this on the chart, right? So we broke below this line, false breakout, go back up, and we are testing this trend line from below. We got the local technical support. Now we can call it local technical support around 136.87. So let's say this will be our technical support. We will trace, I think, around 61% of this move here. So let's just find out how much we retrace. I think it will be around 61%. There you go. Little bit above 61%. 141.42 was violated. It looks like a very nice technical resistance, Fibonacci retracement, very good spot to decide what this market wants to do. If there is a pattern which can be described as ABC to the downside, for example, if this is the wave A, this is the wave B, and we are waiting for the wave C, that might be very interesting thing to see soon, very soon. So the ECB might help to push these prices lower, of course, if the decision is very surprising. So that's the outlook for the euro to the Japanese yen. If we break above 144.19 or 144 point, yes, above this highs, of course, this ABC pattern to the downside is invalidated. That scenario is no longer valid. What else can be influenced by the interest rate decision? Euro to the British pound. Euro to the British pound is a very specific pair, because this pair doesn't like to trade in a strong trends, right? It doesn't want to trade in the strong trends. It's very steady pair. It prefers a steady rate. However, it's not actually up to the this market participants' preferences. It's all about the market itself to see what is going on and how to react on the current and the future events. So what do we have here is, of course, a rather not that dynamic trend, not that dynamic situation. Nevertheless, in the long term, this is 2021. 2021 is a down year. Since about March 2022, we have this very interesting swing up here towards 8,722. So we might even put this. It doesn't actually work very well. However, it's showing us that this market prefers to move inside the channel, as you can see here. We got the pin bar here. We got very big bearish engulfing pattern made in the middle of the June, and since then we of course moved lower towards this low is at 8,402. Okay, so we can add one more level. This is another technical support, and there is another technical support around here. So 8,367, 8,993, and 8,402 pips. This is very interesting technical support zone. Of course, we got the short-term channel here. on the screen, and it looks like the market might want to move higher. Why it wants to move higher? Because there is this line here. Let me just put it in a normal thickness. There you go. This is that line here, and the bearish and the technical resistance, which is somewhere around 8,549. So if we break above this level, if we break above the blue short-term trend line, there is a chance for another rally towards 8,722. However, last time there was a plenty of sellers there, so please be careful around this level, as this market is trending up. However, it's not that dynamic, not that aggressive as the other markets are. So that's the situation on the euro to the British pound. Let's just find out at the end of the technical analysis part what is going on Bitcoin, because we got interesting things going on there. And of course, as you can see, our channel is dynamically changing the environment of the Bitcoin, because we got this rather unexpected pin bar at the end of the up move. Let me just scale my chart. There you go. This is what I wanted. We got the pin bar here. However, this is 100% reversal pin bar. So if that candle is red, we will have another rejection on the Bitcoin market, despite the fact that we made another higher high. So please be careful. Please take a look at this chart. As I said many times, this is not impulsive rally to the upside. This is still a corrective pattern, and it looks like it wants to go lower. Simple as that. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis. Please be prepared to the ECB interest rate decision and trade accordingly. See you next time, guys. Take care. Bye bye.